Okay, joking aside, we're going to talk about these things. These little caps here for my headset. Why did I create them? And why not? Alright, with that I'm going to show you what I did. If you've seen the previous video that I did with these, you'll know that I created this a while ago. I just updated them probably 6 months ago. I think they look far better using two different color materials versus painting. Alright, with that I'm going to cue the intro and we're going to get into these. Alright? Let's jump into it. We're going to jump into Fusion 360s and get going here. What we need to do here is actually to edit the model that I had originally created for these headsets. Unfortunately, I believe I threw out the old ones, so I don't have them to show you. But if you go back to the original video I did with this, you'll see what they are. So I had decided, rather than painting them this time, to make a little modification. What we're going to do is make it a 2-color print on the Prusa. And this actually worked really well. So with that, I'm going to cue some music and let's plow through the Fusion part of it, and then we'll take a look at the final product. let's take a look at these guys. Let me get this out of our way. So what I've done here is these are the 3D printed head cups, or whatever you want to call them. As you can see how the purple really pops off the headset. They're actually okay to pop off and on. It can be a little bit of a challenge to come off. Actually, no, that came off pretty easily. I just can't grab it. Yeah, see? So as you can see, there's a little dot right there. I don't know how well that's coming. Okay. And that is purposely done for alignment purposes. And then, as you can see, the material does have a little bit of a sheen to it, which is fine. It actually gives it a nice look. Compared to the previous version of these, where I painted this part, this looks so much better. I always thought the painted ones looked okay. They don't look great or anything, but I do think these look much better. And as you can see, I've got the same little ring going around with the layer lines. Oh well, yeah, there you go. You can kind of see them now. They're kind of done on purpose, and it's also the way the model is designed. They have it at a slight curve, and I believe that's how I structured it. It's been a while since I printed these, and I've had them for a while now, so I'm just catching up on videos. All right, with that said, there's not really much more to say about them, I guess. They're kind of cool. I like the fact that I was able to kind of customize the look of the headset that I enjoy using when I'm working on a computer. And I do. I really enjoy using these because of the surround sound that they generate. I know it's fake, but it still sounds really good, and it's still fairly convincing. So, overall, I am very happy with the structure of the cuffs. One of my favorite headsets that I like using a lot. I do have a custom look to it now that actually I'm happy with. And with that, I don't think there's really much more to say about these, because we're really just talking about the cuffs and not the headset itself. Alright, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. And I think we'll be changing our format a little bit where these projects take some time to do. So I think it might be best that I give you progress kind of things versus complete videos of a final project. Alright, with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when I do get around to uploading a video. Yeah, I can talk. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.